Secret ingredient meets slow cooker. Slow cooker Japanese curry rice. $75 grams of onion per serving. Chop roughly into large pieces. $25 grams of carrot. Chop roughly into large pieces. Chop the potato into large pieces. $30 grams of apple. Cut into sizes easy to grate. Grated apple. Place 90 grams of pork shoulder loin in the slow cooker. Half teaspoon of garlic paste. Rub thoroughly into meat. Add a roughly chopped carrots. Add a roughly chopped onion. Add the potatoes cut into large pieces. 60 ml of black coffee. It makes a great secret ingredient. Add a grated apple. It improves the flavor and tenderized pork. 90 ml of water. Stir lightly, then cook in the slow cooker for 6 to 8 hours. Add Japanese curry roux about 30 minutes before it's done. Golden curry is recommended if you can buy curry roux outside of Japan. Cover again and wait for about 5 minutes. Dissolve the softened roux completely. Once the roux is completely dissolved, simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. The meat chunks are quite tender, so you can break them up with a ladle. Serve over rice, and we recommend topping with 福神漬け。今日の料理はスロークッカーで作るカレーライスでした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.